Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically like and comment on a post on Pinterest, a pin on Pinterest. So I'm just going to select this one because I like it. If I can just press on it, and to like it I'm just going to select the react button and I'm going to select the love one, and then to comment just type in whatever you want. This is so cute or something, I don't know. And you're just going to press the send button. You can also like other people's comments as well here. I'm just going to like this one. But that is how you can like and comment on it. You can even, I think, follow the person if it's there. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Um, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to me. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.